area related to circle. So just some basic points we should know, some basic parts of the circle, that what is circle, what are chords, what are diameter, because you will be learning about them. Okay, we'll use them. So these basic terms we should know about the circle. First of all, what is a circle? I think you are studying circle from 5th, 6th class. So can you tell me what is circle? It is actually a locus of point, okay, from a fixed point. Okay, this is a fixed point. From this point, if you fix a thread or a stick or whatever, okay, and then move it around this, okay, so this whole complete round is called a circle. Okay, the definitions that are given in your book are here. A circle is a locus of point which moves in a plane in a way that its distance from a fixed point remains the same. Okay, and this distance that remains the same is only called radius. Okay, and double the radius means if the line that divides the circle in width. This will confuse you. Okay, the line that divides the circle into two equal parts, okay, or you can say 2r, is called the diameter. Diameter will always divide the circle in two equal parts. Remember this, okay, and it is 2r. Okay, so diameter is equal to 2r. Okay, now some terms related to circle. Chord. Chord is a line that joins 2 points on the circle. Okay, any 2 points on the circle. Okay, you can see definition here. A line segment joining any 2 points on a circle is called the chord of the circle. Okay, like here in this same figure, this is the chord. Okay, this is the chord. Okay, and diameter is also a chord because it is joining 2 points on a circle, but diameter is the longest chord. Okay, diameter is the longest chord. Okay, and chord simply joins 2 points on a circle. Okay, it can be any 2 points. Okay, you can see in this figure all the 3 lines are the chord. The A, B, C, D, E, F. All these are chord. Okay, understood? Now,
Yes,
diameter.
ma'am.
Okay, diameter. I already told you 2 opposite point, but it is the diameter is the diameter should pass from the center of the circle. It is necessary. Okay, and it divides the circle into 2 equal parts. Okay, I have also told you that diameter is equal to 2 into radius, and diameter is the longest chord of the circle. Now comes second. Okay, second, a line which intersects a circle at any 2 point. Okay, the line which intersect this PQ is a line. Okay, it is coming from outside and it is going also outside. Okay, so a line which intersects a circle at any 2 points is called a secant of the circle. Now when it is moving inside the circle, it is touching 2 points. Okay, one at A and another at B. Okay, so that's why it's called a PQ is called a secant. Okay, now in case of a chord, endpoints of a line, you must be thinking that AB is a chord. Yes or no? Shazan, AB is a chord.
Ma'am.
Okay, but PQ is a secant. Okay, so in case of a chord, endpoints of a line segment is always on the circle. That is a difference. Okay, chord का जो end points होता है that lies on the circle, and second end point lies second end point lies outside the circle. Okay, end points of a
Excuse me,
line.
ma'am.
Yes,
Ma'am, it is second or secant?
secant you can say.
Okay.
Yeah, secant. Okay, so secant endpoints lies outside the circle. Remember this. Okay. So you can say that if you're going to extend the chord on both the side, then that line segment will be called a secant. Okay. Now arc. Arc, Hamisha, you know the curve portion is called the arc. Okay. Now here arc is two types of arc will be there, major arc and minor arc. Now first of all, we'll see what is an arc. Okay. Now one, you can see a circle here and the angle theta. Inside AOB, there's an angle theta. Okay. This is the angle theta. Now this angle theta is holding an arc APB. Okay. APB, and see here, arc is a continuous piece of a circle. Actually, it is a part of a circle, the curved part of the circle, like a adjoining figure. Now you can see in the adjoining figure that APB is an arc. Now this one you can see is a smaller portion. Okay, so this is a minor arc. Okay, and the bigger portion is AQB. Okay, AQB is the major portion, so it is called a major arc. Okay, now APQ, what is there? APB and AOB. They both are angle theta, the arc. Okay, this arc, how I'll mark. Wait, I'll draw here. This is O, A, P, Q. Now this is angle theta. Okay, so this arc is also, you can see here, this arc and this angle is equal to theta. Okay, and in the smaller arc, our APB is called the minor and major that I mentioned. And this point you should know that for a minor arc, the central angle is what? Less than 180. Okay, and for major arc, the central angle is greater than 180. Okay, because if we cut the circle in two equal parts, then it will be a semicircle. Okay, yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
A semicircle. So this angle is what? 180 degree. So the minor arc will be always less than, it can be this. Okay, so center point se lenge hum, radius it. Okay, so this will be the minor arc, and another portion, this portion will call the minor, and the left, whatever it is remaining after the minor, it is called the major one, the bigger one. This is about arc. Semicircle, I already told you, the diameter divides the circle into two equal parts. Okay, the line, you can say the chord that is joining, that is from the center, it is dividing the circle into two equal parts, so that is called the semicircle. Okay, and in semicircle you are having two equal arcs. Okay, two semicircles. Okay, and each angle will be 180 degree. Quadrant of the circle, it is a 1/4 part of the circle. Okay, and each angle will be of 90 degree. Okay, now perimeter of a circle. Perimeter means the boundary. Perimeter is the boundary. In square also you take the boundary. So here also we'll be taking the boundary of the circle. So how can we take the boundary of a circle?
2 pi r.
Yes, 2 pi r. That is the boundary of the circle. Okay, how 2 pi r? Circumference upon diameter. Okay. So circumference is what? Circumference upon diameter is equal to, circumference will be diameter into pi. So it is 2 pi r. This is called the perimeter. This, if only this outside portion is the perimeter. So perimeter is equal to 2 pi r. Okay. Now, what important points that we should know? Now we know the perimeter of the circle, okay, or circumference of the circle. They are both the same thing, okay. What will be the circumference of the semicircle? Now you know semicircle will be what?
Pi r plus 2 r.
Pi r plus 2r,
2
okay. You have to remember all this,
Ma'am, I remember
okay.
formula for this.
Pi r plus 2r, and circumference of quadrant of a circle, it will be pi r upon 2 plus 2r, okay. In the same formula we are applying, okay, pi into 2r. Everywhere you can see it is 2r. 2r is a diameter.
It
Pi,
is ma'am.
yes,
Ma'am, its circumference of quadrant circle, ma'am, it can also be written as pi r divided by 4. Right?
pi r divided by 2.
2 pi r divided by 4, I mean, because it's given 4, so maybe it can be written as
No, no, it will not go like that,
okay.
okay. It is not about the area, it is about the arc, okay. Now here the arc will be pi r, okay. वाई सेमी सर्कल सी, जो सर्कल होता है सिर्फ आउटर लेते हो शजान, ठीक है। जब सेमी सर्कल लेते हो सो आपका ये जो होगा ये दोनों चीज आ जाएगा, है कि नहीं। ये कर्व पोर्शन भी होगा और ये भी हो
The
जाएगा।
straight one also. No method, it is not quadrant.
और जब क्वाड्रेंट लोगे सो ये आ जाएगा।
That radius and that part. Understood.
Okay, these two straight lines will also come. That's why it is pi r upon 2 plus 2r.
Okay, ma'am, I understood.
Okay. Now, distance moved or covered by a wheel in one rotation. So, in one rotation, it will cover its circumference. So, पूरा circumference cover करेगा. So, it will be equal to the circumference. Okay, because when your wheel will move, it will one circle. Okay, one rotation. So, your wheel will be moving round. Okay, so what way it will be covering? It will be covering the area from its outer portion only. So, it is equal to the circumference of the wheel. Okay, now number of rotation of a wheel in traveling a certain distance. When you are traveling a certain distance, what will be the number of rotation? The number of rotation, how can you find out? You know the total
Distance traveled
distance.
divided by circumference.
Yes, and you know the total distance, and then you will be dividing it with the circumference of the wheel. Okay, because one circumference covered means one rotation covered. Okay, so when you will divide it, you will get the number of rotations. Okay. This is for you in the box. This information is just for you, that what is the value of the pi. Okay. So pi value we are taking 3.14 always. Okay. And how, when, which mathematician gave us, and what is the round of value. This information is just written here. Okay. That's it. And it is a rational number.
Ma'am,
Yes.
we have assignment related to this chapter today.
Yeah, I think AP we have completed already.
All assignments you gave before.
And have you done, how much portion in trigonometry sir has taught you?
Ma'am, we're practicing some proving questions. That chapter is completed almost. Just we are practicing questions.
Which chapter is completed? Trigonometry.
Yes, ma'am. Trigonometry.
Yes, ma'am.
Trigonometry completely proper whole chapter completed.
Yes, ma'am. We are just doing the some questions like proving questions are there. Some difficult questions he is giving every class now. That's what we are doing.
Okay. So assignment you have done of trigonometry.
Ma'am, assignment like no only three assignments we have given I think for trigonometry. Three or two. After that there are no assignments given.
So we can do assignment on trigonometry only today.
Okay, ma'am.
Because now sir will not be taking, I will be taking only classes. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Now area of the circle.
Ma'am, circle chapter has not been completed, no?
Shazan, circle is done. Sir has taught circle.
Circle is not done. Triangle has been done.
Triangle is done. A circle is not done. So I will teach you circle. Okay. After completing this, wait, let me see. So your real number is, I only have completed the real number, polynomial, pair of linear equation, quadratic equation, arithmetic progression, triangles. Yes, all done.
Heights and distances.
Height and distance also done.
Ma'am, you have already done, right? Height and distance.
Height and distance, when I have taught you, that's I was
Sorry,
going.
sorry.
Coordinate
Ma'am,
geometry also done. Suzanne,
what, ma'am?
coordinate geometry.
No, ma'am, not done.
Trigonometry is done. Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Now, and I am teaching you, and statistic is also done.
Yes, ma'am, statistics.
So chapters that are remaining, just tally. Chapters that are remaining are coordinate geometry,
For probability, surface area and volume, and that application of trigonometry, circles and constructions.
so coordinate geometry, applications related to trigonometry, circles, surface area and volume, and probability. Probability is just 2 class, maximum 2 class.
This moment is easy chapter, but it carries marks.
But you are having probability will not come of much marks.
No, it will come. It will come. Sir said that it will be 5 to 6 marks.
But probability is easy. I will teach you.
Okay.
Probability and statistic combinedly comes of 12 marks actually. Yes.
Ma'am, but this time in our exam, statistics was of 12 to 13 marks alone.
Statistics, so you have to prepare very well, because 1 6 marks question always come from statistics.
5 marks or
Sometimes 4 marks and 6 marks both come from statistics.
Ma'am, when 6 marks existed,
Huh?
ma'am, it is still 5 marks only, right? 6 marks is not
In
there.
your board exam,
6 marks is also there.
it is just the different pattern is there now. When I was there, 6 marks question used to come. Okay, I'll see your sample papers. Okay, because now some pattern is also changed. So statistic is an important chapter. Surface area related to volume is an important chapter. Okay, these chapters are very important. Linear equation, quadratic equation, one question of 5 marks or 6 marks, whatever you say, one question will definitely come. Okay, triangles, geometry, either from the introduction to geometry, 1 6 marks question will come, or application related to trigonometry, 1 6 marks question will come. Okay, or maybe there can be an option also. Okay, so these chapters are very important.
Okay, ma'am.
Statistics, surface area and volume. Okay,
Area related to
three
surface.
quadratic and triangles.
What about arithmetic progression? It will be only next MCQs.
Arithmetic progression will also come, but maximum 4 marks question only will come, I think. Okay. 5 and 6 marks questions are from your trigonometry, application to trigonometry, triangles, circles, surface area, volume, statistics, a linear equation, and a polynomial also. Sometime polynomials में आ जाएगा, कभी नहीं आएगा, क्योंकि I think 5 to 6 questions are there only in your
5 marks question.
Yes.
Okay.
Now area of a circle. So area of the circle, you know that it is pi r square. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Pi r square. So we can see how it is derived also. For example, you have a complete circle and we have divided it into these parts. Okay, these segments. Okay, now if you open it, okay, कट करके अगर आप एक जगह से open करते हो, so you can see it is in a form of a triangle, rectangle. Yes, it is a form of a rectangle. So in rectangle,
Rectangle.
this one, ये rectangle के पैटर्न में ना, so rectangle का आपका एरिया क्या होता है? Length into breadth.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so it is L into B. So L into B, what is the length here?
1/2.
Okay, so length is this one. This one is the length, and breadth is this. So breadth is what? Breadth is the radius. ये तो आपका एक radius ही तो हुआ. So breadth is the radius. Okay, breadth जो है वो radius हो गई, और length जो हो गया वो क्या होगा? ये आपने पूरा बाहर का पोर्शन पूरा फुल किया है, तो वो क्या है? सर्कमफ्रेंस क्या होता है? 2 pi
2 pi r.
ठीक है। सरकमफ्रेंस, पूरा सरकमफ्रेंस जो है वो 2 पाई आर है, लेकिन ये देखो आधा नीचे गया है आधा ऊपर आया, तो हाफ ही लोगे, ठीक है। तो ये 2 कट गया, सो इट विल बी पाई आर स्क्वायर इफ यू मल्टीप्लाई टू लेंथ इनटू ब्रेथ। अंडरस्टूड? अंडरस्टूड?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so this is the area of the circle, that is pi r square. Now some more important formulas that will be related to area of the circle, that is the quadrant, the area of the quadrant, the area of the semicircle, okay, the area of a concentric circle. Okay, when you are studying area related to circle, these parts of how to find out the area of some parts of the circle also you should know. Okay, so when you are taking a semicircle, this is the complete circle. Okay, if you are taking the semicircle, so semicircle is just the half, the area will be half. Yes,
Yes,
no.
ma'am.
So what was the area of the
Yes, ma'am.
circle? Area of the circle was
Pi r
Pi
square.
r square.
so
Will be 1
semicircle.
by 2 pi r square.
1.5 pi square.
Yes,
Or pi r square by 2.
yes. So it will be pi r square by 2. Okay, you have to remember all this. And then area of the quadrant, same way.
Divide by 4 because it's in 4 parts.
Yes, area of the quadrant will be pi r square by 4. Okay, now when you are dealing with the concentric circle, okay, when you are dealing with the concentric circle, one is the outer circle and one is the inner circle. Okay, now what you have to do, you need to find out the area of this portion only.
That's the area of ring. That's right.
You
That's
have to
the
find out the area of the bigger circle, then you have to subtract the area of the smaller circle from that. Okay, so I'm writing the area of the bigger circle.
actually pi r capital R square minus small r square.
What I will do, एक ये हो गया और एक ये हो गया, ये कैपिटल आर ले लेते हैं, ये स्मॉल आर ले लेते हैं, ठीक है, फॉर नो कंफ्यूजन. सो योर एरिया विल बी पाई पाई r square minus
R square.
r square. So pi you can take common,
Yes, ma'am.
r square minus r square. This will be the area of the concentric circle.
Um,
Understood till here?
yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Now some point for you to note, if two circles touches internally, okay, agar internally touch kar rahe, then the distance between their center is equal to the distance is equal to the difference of their radii. Okay, the center, their center is equal to, समझ में आया, सेंटर क्या होगा, वो इक्वल होगा उनका रेडियस के डिफरेंस का. एंड इफ टू सर्कल टचेस एक्सटर्नली, देखो दो तरीके हो सकते हैं व्हेन टू सर्कल्स आर देयर. वन इज देन दे आर कंसेंट्रिक सर्कल्स. ओके, एक तो ये होगा कि एक सर्कल के अंदर एक सर्कल है, ठीक है, और एक क्या हो सकता है, ये सर्कल है और इसके अंदर टच कर रहा है. तो जब ये वाला पोर्शन, जब इस तरह का केस होगा, तब आप रेडियस सब्ट्रैक्ट करोगे. ओके, r माइनस आर विल बी देयर. ओके, एंड जब ये वाला केस होगा तब r प्लस r होगा.
Plus R.
अंडरस्टूड ऋषिका एंड
But why, ma'am? R plus R.
Yes, ma'am.
For what can you explain again?
क्या?
Ma'am, can you explain why it will be R plus R and for what it will be?
सी r प्लस r, क्योंकि वो दोनों आउटसाइड है, तो दोनों एक दूसरे के अंदर नहीं है ना, दोनों की एरिया अलग हो गई, तो r प्लस r हो जाएगा ना.
Okay, okay, understood. The formula will be pi capital R square minus R plus small r square, right?
Yes.
Okay.
Pi will be same, so you can take out common. Now, one question is there. The radii of two circle are 13 centimeter and 6 centimeter. Two circles radii is given 13 centimeter and 6 centimeter respectively. Find the radius of the circle. Now, you need to find out what the radius of the circle which has circumference equal to the sum of circumference of two circles. Understood? You need to find out the radius of another third circle. Okay? Understood? Two circle radii are given. Now you need to find out the radius of third circle which which has circumference equal to the sum of the circumference of two circle. So करना क्या है,
Understood the
तो
question, ma'am.
ये दो सर्कल हैं, ठीक है. अब इन दोनों सर्कल में जितना भी रोप यूज हुआ है, जितना भी सर्कमफ्रेंस है, उसको ऐसे पूरा एक्सपैंड कर देना. ये फर्स्ट सर्कल का है, ये दूसरे सर्कल का है. अब इसको यूज करके एक नया सर्कल बनना है. अब इसका आपको रेडियस फाइंड करना है. समझ में आ गया आप?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
कैन यू ट्राई इट?
Yes, ma'am.
तो मैं कॉपी कर देती हूँ. फर्स्ट व्हाट डू यू हैव टू डू? सर्कमफ्रेंस निकालना है दोनों सर्कल का.
Yes, ma'am. We will write the given information.
Yes.
Ma'am, I got the radius as 19 centimeter.
How much? Yes.
19
Radius,
centimeter.
radius will be 19 centimeter.
2 pi and 2 pi will be cancelled.
Ishika, understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Any doubt is there? Okay, how 19 centimeter?
No, ma'am. Ma'am, in third process you have taken common, na? 2 pi.
Yeah, actually 2 pi is on both the sides, so we have taken we have cancelled 2 pi 2 pi. Okay, or you can say we have compared. Equal to sign is there, na? We have compared. So when you are going to compare, so 2 is cancelled to 2, pi cancel, and r is equal to 19. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Now this question, just have a look, then I will tell you.
Can you give us to try once?
The cost of fencing a circular field at the rate of rupees 36 per meter is, okay, 36 per meter. Okay, the complete fencing cost of the circular field is rupees 11,880. Now the field is to be plowed at the rate of 0.60 per meter square. Find the cost of plowing the field. So for this, what you need to know? You need to find out the
perimeter, circumference.
see.
Yes, right.
You need to plow the field. So see, this is the field. Okay. When you are plowing the field, what you will do? You will work inside.
Yes, so
ना?
area.
पूरा प्लो करोगे तो ये होगा एरिया निकालना, लेकिन एरिया कैसे निकालोगे? एरिया का फॉर्मूला क्या होता है?
Pi square.
Pi r square.
Pi r square. So you need to plow the field.
How can we do like this? Like area is equal
लेकिन
to.
आर पहले आर निकालना, आर कैसे निकालोगे? जो गिवन इंफॉर्मेशन है, गिवन इंफॉर्मेशन क्या है? कॉस्ट ऑफ फेंसिंग द सर्कुलर फील्ड। तो फेंस जो है वो इसमें लग रहा है, ये जो है ना इधर फेंस लगा है, तो सरकमफ्रेंस में फेंस लगा है ना, ये फेंस जो है वो सरकमफ्रेंस में लगा है। ओके, ये तुम्हारा, तुम कंफ्यूज हो जाओगे, दोनों चीज मैंने एक ही तरह से करा। ये जो है ये प्लॉइंग है, ये तो मैं लिख देती हूँ, ये तुम्हारा फेंसिंग है, ये तुम्हारा प्लॉइंग है। ठीक है, तो फेंस करने का क्या रेट है? तुम्हारा टोटल कॉस्ट आ रहा है फेंस करने के लिए इतना। ठीक है, यस और नो? और रेट पर
Yes, ma'am.
से निकालोगे लेंथ, लेंथ ऑफ द फेंस, लेंथ ऑफ फेंस। हाँ,
Divide total cost divided by 36, right?
यस, टोटल कॉस्ट डिवाइड बाय रेट। टोटल कॉस्ट क्या है? 11,880 और कितना रेट है? 36 रुपीज। $330. Okay, 330 meter. Now this is what? This is the circumference of the field, 330. Now you need to find out the radius. Okay, what will be the radius of the circle? Radius. Okay, you can take radius as r. So radius of circle, radius of circle कैसे निकालोगे? Circumference 2 pi is equal to 330. So r की वैल्यू क्या होगी? 330 upon 2 pi. Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
ठीक है, क्या हो गया? 330, अब यहाँ पे 2 पाई। यस, सो 33 2 into 7. ओके, 11 2s are 22, 11 3s are 0. ओके, 215. So 15 multiplied by 7 is equal to
105.
5 upon 2 divided by 2. 52.5 आ रहा है। 52.5 meters. So 52.5 meter is what?
Radius now we can put
Radius.
into radius formula, which is pi r square.
Okay. So we have got the radius. Now what else we have to do? From this radius, we can find out.
Area, ma'am,
Radius.
area I got. Can you check if it is correct or not? Ma'am, it is 88. Wait, I didn't get that. I think.
What do you have got?
No, I think I got the wrong area.
Pi r
Ah, it's not simplified. I simplified it. I got 8871.50 meter square.
What you have got?
Ma'am, 8871.50 meter square. I multiplied it.
Here what I have done after this only, I have multiplied the cost of flowing also, and then final answer I have got. What will be the final answer? Tell me.
I'm just divided by 5. We will get the final answer. We'll divide 8871.50 divided by 5. Which will, no, it's 6, 0.6. Okay.
You have done this or not? Multiplied or not? To pi r square, 22 into 5, 52.5 multiplied 52.5.
Ma'am, what did you get in this one? Can you tell?
Hmm?
Now, what did you get after multiplying this? Because I am getting 8871.50.
Okay, wait, I will multiply and tell you. Wait, what is 50? 52.7, na? 52 point.
It's 5,
Ma'am, I'm getting
52.5.
393 point.
Wait,
Ma'am,
I'll just do it in
ma'am,
one. Give me
393.75 when we multiply 7.5 and 52.5. And then, ma'am, 22 into 393.75 we have to do.
Okay, when I am multiplying with 3.14, I got the answer 8,654.625. Okay, wait, I will multiply this also multiply 0.6, 0.6. Same answer I'm getting 519. I'm getting 5192775 if I'm taking 3.14. I've done with the calculator. And I have taken the value of pi as 3.14. This is not opening. See what I have done. Like you have got
Ma'am, I got it.
Okay. So area of circle, area of field, circular field. It will be what? Pi r square.
pi square, ma'am, which will
Okay.
be
So pi I'm taking if I'm taking 3.14 into 52.5 into 52.5. So I have got the area. Wait. First I will write this. 3.14 multiplied by 52.3. Sorry, 52.5 multiplied by 52.5 is equal to 8654.625. Okay, and then cost of plowing field at 0.60 rupees. 8. So it will be what? 8.654.625 multiplied by 0.60, which will be equal to this. What the answer?
um,
Ishika, have you got the answer?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, here I have used 22 by 7.
You can use
That's
22
why.
by 7 also. Okay, if you find the calculation is easier with 22
Ma'am,
point.
what is the final answer? Is this one?
Yeah, here I have done with 22.7 and little difference is coming 5197.5.
Ma'am, I got same like 5197.5.
Yeah, okay. You have used 22.7 now, that's fine.
Yes,
But
ma'am.
when you go in higher sections, okay, everyone prefer 3.14 only. Okay.
because
Right
it's
now you
increased
can
with
use
calculations.
22.7. Okay, you can use 22 by 7. If you find that the calculation will become easier with 22.7, you can use it. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Now this is about the concentric circle. Now try this question. Circular footpath of width 2 meter is constructed at the rate of rupees 20 per meter square. Okay. 2 meter circular path of width 2 meters constructed at the rate of 20 per meter square around a circular park of radius 15,000 meter. Find the cost of construction of the footpath. Now you need to find out the cost of construction of the footpath.
Width is given, so how we will do?
What?
Ma'am, width is given, so ma'am, how we will find the radius of the outer circle?
देखो कितना इजी है ये देखो दो सर्कल है ना
हाँ मैम।
पाथ निकालना है तो पाथ तो यही होगा है ना
yes,
ये
ma'am.
चलो सर्कल पूरे
Yes,
सर्कल
ma'am.
का रेडियस दिया है ना यहाँ पे क्या दिया है अराउंड अ सर्कुलर पार्क ऑफ रेडियस 15,000 तो ये जो है ना ये
Ma'am, that okay. Ma'am, that red one is
हाँ रेड वन निकालना है लेकिन सर्कल का पूरा दिया है ना
अच्छा हाँ
और ये जो दिया है ना ये वाला ये पोर्शन का दिया है 2 मीटर
ओके
We will minus it.
हाँ 2 मीटर माइनस कर दो
हाँ
क्या करना है पूरे सर्कल का एरिया निकालोगे उसमें 2 मीटर माइनस करोगे तो छोटा वाला सर्कल मिल जाएगा छोटे वाले सर्कल का एरिया निकाल लेना तो अगर उस हिसाब से अगर ये वाला निकालोगे ना ये वाला जो निकालोगे क्या होगा हाँ ये वाला निकालोगे सो ये कितना हो जाएगा 1400 मीटर
90.
ओके समझ में आ गया ना
we have to square it ma'am how we will square it
एक मिनट circular path of which 2 meter is constructed at the rate of 25 meter around circle. No, wait ये देखो थोड़ा सा कंफ्यूजन हो गया ये देखो यहाँ पे क्या है कि तुम्हें पाथ बनाना है अराउंड सर्कुलर पाथ
that's what I was saying I have done like that but don't so I thought I'm wrong
नो पहले बोलना चाहिए था ना कि मैम वो सर्कुलर पाथ के अराउंड बन रहा है ये सर्कुलर पार्क है
that red one I'm trying to say that is circular park
ठीक है
okay
मैं थोड़ा सा कंफ्यूज हो गई थी तो ये सर्कुलर पाथ आपका ये वाला है ठीक है और ये वाला जो है ना अब रेडियस जो लोगे ये वाला रेडियस जो है ना ये 1502 हो जाएगा और ये रेडियस दिया हुआ है ये कितना है 15,000
1500
हाँ 1500 अंदर वाला 1500 मीटर है और
yes
बाहर वाला 2 मीटर ऐड करोगे क्योंकि ये जो है ये 2 मीटर है
okay
ठीक है सो आपका ये कितना हो जाएगा ये तो तुम्हारा एरिया ऑफ द एरिया ऑफ फुटपाथ
is equal to 1502 square
आर स्क्वायर माइनस आर स्क्वायर हो जाएगा तो पाए आर स्क्वायर कितना है
ma'am that is 1500
माइनस 1500 का स्क्वायर ठीक है यही होगा you can take either 3.14 you take or 22 by 7 okay now 15,002 का स्क्वायर a plus b a minus b के फॉर्मूला से खोल लो
ठीक है
ठीक है सो 1502 प्लस 1500 हो जाएगा और 1502 माइनस 1500 हो जाएगा ये कैलकुलेट करने बैठोगे तो मुश्किल ये कैलकुलेशन ही है आप लोगों को वो सब फॉर्मूला इसीलिए बताया जाता है ताकि आप इजीली कैलकुलेट कर सको ठीक है
okay 2003 will become 3002 into 2 okay that's so easy
अब दोनों को माइनस करोगे तो सिर्फ 2 ही आएगा
हाँ it's 3.314 divided by 100 into 6 004
Yeah, same I have got. And now 3.14 multiplied by.
How will do this one?
Now this we have to multiply.
And what if you use 22 by 7 over here?
What?
What if you use 22 by 7 over
You
here?
can take 22 by 7 also, Shazan. That's only I told you. If you find calculation easy with that, you can take that. Okay. Now this is what I got, meter square, because area is there.
Yes, ma'am.
Cost of construction. C minus C. What is the cost? It will per meter square, 20 per meter square. So you just need to multiply with 20. So it will be 20 multiplied by 18, 850, 2.56. What the answer?
Yes, ma'am, cost of construction.
Ishika? Have you got the answer, Ishika?
Yes, ma'am.
Any confusion? Always read the question 2-3 times, okay? Because if you would have taken my subtracted 2, then complete answer would have been different. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Got it, Suzanne?
Yes, ma'am, I understood.
So shall I change?
Yes, ma'am.
Or you need to copy Ishika?
No, ma'am, I have done this.
Ma'am, done.
So let's start with the assignment, okay? Then we will do it tomorrow. Yes. Okay, because many chapters are there and we need to complete it also. And August is already over. Okay, August is finished. So September, October, in October till October, we need to finish the course so that from November
October I have exam.
result. What?
Ma'am, October I'm having the exam, half yearly exams of 80 marks.
20 marks or 100 marks?
80 marks, 80 marks.
Ma'am, 80 marks.
So all your half-yearly courses are complete or not?
Ma'am, no, many chapters are left in every subject.
How many chapters are left of half-yearly?
Ma'am, in maths, the math portion is also complete, almost complete in class. Only 2 chapters are left.
In your school?
Yes.
How many chapters are coming in your half-yearly?
Ma'am, quadratic equation, polynomial, real numbers. Including the previous one, we are having after that we are having quadratic equation, area related to circles, triangles, and trigonometry, height and distances, and I think yeah, that's all.
And Ria, Aishika?
Ma'am, in our school, ma'am, I think till area related to circle it will come. All the syllabus of F1 and F2, including some chapters which she have taught.
Area related, so all the chapters area related to circle till.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, my construction is also there, triangle is also, circle is also there. I forgot to say.
Construction, so you can do, because here I cannot teach you construction. I'll try. Okay, but
Yeah, probability, statistics, surface area, and volume will also be
what
there.
I can do after area related to circle, I can start with your application related to trigonometry, because it is an important
Yes,
chapter
ma'am.
also. Okay, and trigonometry already sir has finished.
Ma'am, I have completed applications of trigonometry. Only some sums I have to practice, then it will be over.
Okay.
Now I just need to
Guys
practice.
also here, na? So I need to complete that. Okay, so I'll complete area some applications related to trigonometry, because it is an important chapter, and some of the questions are little, because all your numerical questions are means all word problem type questions are there.
Like 5 marks questions are from application of trigonometry.
Yes, so it's important we should discuss it. Okay.